Welcome to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentlemen. This is DMTV Kenya, where we say things the way they are. If this is your first time here, karibu sana, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and share. Tuko hapa kuongea mambo ya Kenya, real talk, no fear and no favor. Leo tunafanya uchambuzi wa mambo kuhusu Rigathi Gachagua, and this story is very hot, so make sure you watch from the beginning up to the end. Without wasting much time, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the bombshell Rigathi Gachagua has raised today, and there is a secret kill squad inside the government according to Rigathi Gachagua. Rigathi Gachagua, yes, the same one person who was once the deputy president of William Ruto has now turned into the most focal critic of the Ruto regime. In a shocking statement, Rigathi Gachagua said that there is a secret government unit that it is abducting and killing innocent Kenyans. And this is the first administration, he said, without regretting. And this secret killing squad is targeting children for people who voted for the government. And this statement, ladies and gentlemen, it is big, it is heavy, and it's dangerous. For someone who was inside the government to say that, it means that Kenya is in a deep crisis. And Gachagua is basically telling Kenyans, and he's telling them that, I quote what he said, is that I was there and I saw it, and I cannot keep quiet anymore. So you can imagine, this is someone who served in this government trying to tell Kenyans that I was in this government. I know what is happening in and out. So do you think Kenyans cannot believe him? Sasa huu ni ule wakati niliwaambia jana katika ile analysis nilifanya kwamba anything that Rigathi Gachagua is talking now, the Kenyans are behind him. And the greatest mistake the Ruto government did is by impeaching Rigathi Gachagua. Ruto could have done what former President Uhuru Kenyatta did. Yes, they were not in good terms, but Uhuru Kenyatta was patient. He just worked alone, he finished his term and went home. If he could have done what Ruto did to Rigathi Gachagua, I don't know what could have happened. Now, we must ask, why is Rigathi Gachagua speaking now? Is it political survival? Is it guilt? Or is it a cry for help from inside the system? Hata kama Gachagua amejitenga na serikali, what he's saying should wake us all up. No Kenyan should sleep at this time. And this is a warning. Kenya is slowly becoming unsafe for its own citizens. And if even Gachagua is afraid, then what about ordinary Kenyans like you and me? Let's not forget, Raila Odinga has remained silent. Kalonzo is trying to speak up. And even governors are not speaking. It's like the whole political class has agreed to abandon the people. And that's why I tried to come up with this analysis to see how important it is. Tuambiane ukweli. We must demand action. We must demand the truth. And we must demand protection for every Kenyan. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for staying with me through this analysis. Kama kawaida, here on DMTV Kenya, we speak what others fear to say. Please subscribe, share this video, and leave a comment below. Tell me, do you believe justice will come? Do you trust the police anymore? Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, stay safe, stay work, and stay loud. This is Dalmas, and this is your home for truth.